Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today I'll be doing a small spread for you to check on your money, abundance and prosperity for the month of September. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today's Taurus. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send them the messages they need to hear to have abundance, prosperity, and lots of money in the month of September. Thank you. All right, so Taurus, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And newbies, do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Okay. One more. Okay, and I'm going to cut the deck and take one card as advice for you as well, the top card. And here it is. Taurus, death in reverse. Scared to let something go from your past, maybe. Fear of change, maybe. I don't know. I'll clarify it. But what Spirit is saying in the month of September, Taurus, you're a magician. The universe has given you all the tools that you need to make it happen. It's all around you. You'll have to just think of what is it that you want to do and how you can make it happen. The magician, what does the magician do? They have all the four elements and they can make magic, right? So Taurus, in the month of September, you are the magician. You have to figure out what you want, and once you figure out what you want, how you're going to get it is all going to fall into place. There could be people around you who would not maybe find that you're doing the right thing or it's unfair or something, but I think you're going to be totally concentrating on planting this new garden of yours, which is going to really flourish. Okay, so don't get held back from other people's decisions or other people telling you it's not the right thing to do. Let me take a Ganesha Oracle card for you first before I start clarifying these cards, Taurus. Let's see what Lord Ganesha has for you. For money, Lord Ganesha, abundance, prosperity for Taurus in September, please. Spiritual practice. Spiritual practice. I think you have to connect with you have to connect to your spirit guides. This is going to be a magical time for you. Your angels will be helping you here. Maybe not people in the 3D world so much as to your own psychic abilities, maybe your own angels, your own spirit guides, your ancestors. Your spiritual practice is going to be very important in creating what you want. Let me just take a few lines of advice for you from here as well. 19 is a number 10, 38. Okay. What does spiritual practice have to do with prosperity and abundance? Let's see. A spiritual practice will help ground your day. It may trigger observations that lead to life-changing breakthroughs and ideas. There are many ways to maintain a spiritual connection through a committed practice. Ganesha is asking you to reflect on the benefits that may be gained by following a specific daily routine for your spirituality. This might include prayer, meditation, or an exercise schedule that connects the body, mind, and spirit, such as yoga or, additionally, consider burning incense, which is often used to accompany prayers, invocations. As the incense smoke rises up to the heavens, it is said to represent the requests reaching their destination and meeting with approval of the divine. Incense is also believed to have properties that dispel negative energy. Like I said, there could be people who are not bringing you justice. Spiritual practice will keep you protected from manifesting whatever dreams you have. Okay. Where did I... Okay, use... No. Use incense or burn sage to create a special haven for yourself or to clear a sacred space in preparation for a special occasion or a ceremony. The smell of incense can also bring out heightened spiritual awareness and realization for the user. Okay, so basically from what I'm getting out of this paragraph was that connecting with your spirituality may bring you a lot of protection if you're trying to manifest some goals or some dreams or some financial independence for yourself, and there are other people around you who are not in favor of that. It can give you some protection. Your angels can help put that little bubble around you where nobody can harm you, nobody can stop you from manifesting your dreams. So let's see. What's this magician for Taurus spirit for September? My God, Taurus, you're manifesting everything. You're manifesting everything. You want to be that empress who can sit back and receive. And it's very possible because, when you come into the magician energy and you have your guides and your angels, anybody who's, maybe a liar or a cheat around you, I think you're manifesting maybe dropping certain people in your life who are not authentic and having so much abundance that you can take care of yourself. So let's see how you can do that. Justice in reverse, spirit. Justice in reverse. I think you'll be able to do it. I think nobody can. If you really connect with your magician side of you, the empress side in you, with your guides helping you, I don't think you can be stopped here, Taurus. You can actually end all this stress and tension that you're carrying because you are headed off. You're going to be taking that risk, or you should. That risk into the unknown, knowing that you're protected. You are the magician. You are the empress who can create something out of nothing. Good things just, gravitate towards you now. So this new beginning is very possible. All you have to do is believe in yourself. 7 of Pentacles, spirit, for Taurus. 7 of Pentacles. It's time to sow new seeds, Taurus, in September. It's time now to build your own farm or your own garden. I don't know. Start small. I'm not saying go all out and jump off that cliff and do everything all at once. But it is saying you can always start small. You may be afraid. You may be afraid in September. You may have a little bit of difficulty in accepting change or, moving forward. So Spirit is saying start with small baby steps. Just a few seeds in your garden. And before you know it, if you are fighting the devil, the universe is there backing you. You will be able to get over whatever scare, or if you're afraid to do something, or there is anything that is bothering you, you'll be able to get rid of this negative energy around you once you trust. What happens is, this is you in your mind. You feel it's just you and me and myself, and I don't know what to do, how will I manage? But sometimes you have to just put all your worries in that bucket, okay? And imagine that the bucket has a rope and it's being slowly pulled up by the universe. Put all your worries in it and say, universe, pull it up, take it back. I'm not taking it. Now I give all my troubles to you. And once you start believing that there is a higher power, which is much stronger than the devil of your mind, or devil of your fear, you will be able to achieve anything you want. Let's see what's the secret message for you, Taurus. 2 of Swords. Spirit's secret message for you is take that blindfold off. Just make that decision. That's the first step. Your first step is to trust yourself and make that decision. Don't be sitting here and say, should I do this or should I do that? And actually, I'll just sit here and do nothing because I'm scared. So what Spirit's secret message to you is, Just start by making a decision for yourself, a choice, and start small. Two of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Why is that a secret message, advice from you for Taurus? What does it mean for them? It's time to be a little inquisitive, Spirit is saying. It's like a little child. Start learning new things, start learning maybe a new skill. There's a lot available on the internet. There's a lot maybe that you already know which you can add on. Maybe a little bit of study or a little bit of research can go a long way. People don't have to know about it. You can do it in private. You can, So Spirit is saying it's time now to start small, start preparing. This will be a month of preparation, of learning, gathering information, putting that intention out there, making that decision, and just sowing the first few seeds of intention, even if you're afraid. When the universe is backing you, the white light is around you, no devil can ever enter and interfere in your growth. Remember that. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Taurus. Hope it worked for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.